It was my pleasure to be here as a speaker in the rehabilitation track, where we discussed a lot of issues and a lot of challenges that this population with hearing loss face, and how to use technology, whether simple technology like WhatsApp or more AI and difficult advanced technology, to help promote rehabilitation and better outcomes for the children with that are deaf and hard of hearing. It was a pleasure. It was really exciting. This is the second time I'm here, and I've seen how much the number of audience has grown, how the presentations and the topics that have been addressed are becoming more diverse and more interesting, going with the new research and new advances in our field, and the collaborative work between audiologists, speech-language pathologists, and otologists, and how for better care we need collaboration. Looking forward to being part of Dubai Otology again next year, and I'm sure the next is going to be even more exciting and even better.